Are you ready, kiddos? Let's start. Dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin is basically an aquatic mammal. Dolphins have smooth skin and use flippers to swim. Octopus. Octopus. An octopus has 3 hearts.
Wow!
Octopus have a big head, 2 eyes and a soft body but no bones.
What?
Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Sea turtle are reptiles. They have a hard cover called shell. Seahorse. Seahorse. Seahorses are sheer slow swimmers. Despite being small, did you know that seahorses have a big appetite?
Wow!
Stingray. Stingray. Stingrays come in all shapes and sizes and feed on other small fish, snails and shrimps. Lobster. Lobster. Lobsters are quite weird sea creatures. They taste using their leg and they chew using their stomach. Clownfish. Clownfish. We can easily recognize a clownfish thanks to the animated film Finding Nemo. Clownfish live in a small group called the school. They are also omnivorous, which means they eat both plants and the other smaller animals that live underwater. Crab. Crab. Crabs are decapods, which means they have 10 legs. They can also walk in all directions, but mostly move sideways. Wow, starfish. Starfish. Starfishes are invertebrates or animals without a backbone. This sea creature can also live for a very long time and they can weigh more than you think. Seal. Seal. Do you know seals prefer the cold seas? Aside from that, they can also sleep underwater.
Woo!
That's incredible. I hope you learned a lot about the wonderful animals that live under the sea. But before I end the video, like, subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment.